First it was going to be 30,000 returning, then 50,000, then 80,000, 100,000. Today we're at 120,000 and the planes are still arriving. It could be up to 150,000, but we don't know.
በቃ እኔ እዚህ በጣም ቤተሰብ ልጆች አሉኝ እና እዚህ በጣም ሰርቼ ታውቃለህ ኢትዮጵያ ኑሮ
I thought it would be peaceful and suitable for me there in Saudi Arabia, but it's not what happened. I even thought I would be able to support my relatives and continue my education, but it wasn't like that.
እንዴት ሀገሬ እኔ በጣም ስለምወዳት እዛም ሂጄ ሰላም ሀገር አገኛለሁ ስላልኩኝ
Thank God I am back in Ethiopia now. I will do whatever it takes to continue my education and support my family, because it did not happen there. It was totally the opposite.
መማር ፈልጋለሁ ልጆቼም እንደምንም ብዬ ማስተዳደግ ፈልጋለሁ ያም አልሆነ ግን በሰላም መጣሁ
እንኳን በሰላም መጣችሁ በኢትዮጵያ ሕዝብና መንግስት ስም